Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post in an itslearning discussion. An itslearning discussion is an online conversation tool that your teachers might be using during an e-learning day. So the first thing you need to do is click on your courses button, which will open up the list of courses you are enrolled in. If there's a certain course that you know your teacher has posted discussion in, navigate to that course, or you can type in the name, and the course will load. Once the course is loaded, your teacher might have already added a link to the discussion somewhere on the main page of the course. If you can't find it on the main page, if you click the Resources tab, the discussion will be located in the Resources tab. All of the materials your teacher has made are available here. Locate the discussion you would like to participate in. A discussion has a little conversation bubble icon. When I've gone to the discussion, teachers might have set this up a little bit differently depending on the class. For this teacher's example, this teacher posted all of the questions you need to answer right here in the description for the discussion. So to post a response, I would click Start New Thread. I could add a subject here. I could put my name or what I'm going to talk about. Your teacher might have told you what you should put here. In this text box is where I'll type my response. Notice I have all of these different buttons available to me. I can add a link, I can add a picture, I can create an audio recording or a video recording of myself if I'd like to. Whenever I'm finished, I would click Save. If by chance my teacher has posted questions here and I'm supposed to click on one of these items, I could also add a discussion post. I could click Active Life or the name of the discussion, and I can read what other students have posted. If I wanted to respond to a student, I could just type my response here in the text box. Or I could do reply with quote, which will add this student's response and mine in one small post. When I'm finished, I click post reply.